Hi guys, I'm Bhavesh here from Motomasti. Today we have come for a short ride to Karjat, being a Sunday and pleasant climate. We did a short trail today, so I'm sorry guys, my bike is a little messed. Let me tell you how I've made my KTM ADV 390 a little more touring friendly by adding few mods and accessories to it. First comes the GV windscreen. If you see this, it's not very big nor it is very small. It is just a perfect size with the width. It helps in deflecting a lot of wind. So while riding, for me, most of the wind is going above my helmet. So there is no wind buffeting, as well as I face very less wind resistance, which makes me less fatigue and it makes me much more comfortable. This is the headlight protector from Moto IOI. This not only protects my headlight from any deflecting stones or any damage, which is one of the most aesthetic part of the bike, but it also helps in diffusing that harsh white light, which I'm not a very big fan of. It makes that right spectrum of the light, as well as it is also helpful when we are riding in a group. So any riders who are ahead of me, my friends, they are able to identify that we belong from one group. So most of my friends in the group have the same thing, so it also makes it more common for us while riding. Then comes the aux lights, which are from Mad Dog. These aux lights are just right in size as well as the throw of the light. I have mounted it right next to the headlight at this level. This illuminates the road ahead with right amount of throw, and it is more focused on the road as well as the wider part. And what I've observed is it is less disturbing for oncoming traffic, because sometimes those white lights are too harsh and too powerful, so we also need to respect the oncoming traffic. So this is just right for my purpose for touring. Then I've added this beak with this stickers, which makes it more rally and sporty look. It is purely for aesthetic purpose. I had ordered it online sometime back. Then comes the guards, the engine guards, which I really love from SS Mototech, because this directly mounts on the stock engine guard, which is mounted on the chassis of the frame. These are not very bulky, and also they have helped me a couple of times when I've been doing a lot of off-roading like Zanskar and Nepal, where once or twice I had a small fall. It completely protected my engine, the plastic parts, as well as the chassis. So very strong build and mounts on the stock engine guards. It also helps me to mount the front fender bags when we are going on a long tour and when I'm loaded with a lot of luggage. Thereafter, I have this dirt sack silencer heat protector. This is again a very helpful piece of accessory which I've added, because a lot of time when we load our saddlebags and while when we are cornering, sometimes the saddlebags tend to touch the silencer, so it tends to damage the saddlebags from down. So this not only protects the saddlebags, but it also looks nice. Then we have this saddle stay from Carbon Racing. These are really lightweight, purpose built, and my saddlebags are right staying steady on this. This is something which I really like what they have done. Not one of those metal ones which look very bulky. Then we have this tail rack mount. This also has points where we can mount a top box. Although I'm not a very big fan of the top box, I use it to mount some small bags or luggage on this when I'm on a long tour or a small ride. And sometimes when we are planning a camping or something, we carry our sleeping bags and tent, which usually I mount it on this, and they fit right on this. One more accessory which is very useful, which I have added, is the mobile mount from Zana. If you can see the texture of this, this helps in gripping the mobile mount on this very well, especially when we are off-roading. I've observed that the mobile mount has been very steady on this. So this is also a very useful accessory while navigation. And the last thing which I've added is the tires, which I've recently changed from Metzeler's. I've added Race Moto Tour R tires. For off-roading, these tires have been very good, but on the tarmac, I'm not really happy with the grip of this as compared to Metzeler's. But yeah, the cost is also another factor. The Metzeler's are almost 3 times expensive as compared to this. So far, they have been doing well. I would say average. Maybe after a few thousands of kilometers, I'll probably change this. And one more thing which I've added, I want to talk about, is the BMC air filter. It's been almost a year I've changed to BMC air filter, and what I've observed is the stalling issue of my bike has almost gone. So I would definitely recommend for KTM 390. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe, like and share our channel Moto Masti, and stay tuned with us. Thank you guys, ride safe.